Hi everyone, this is Pulkit from Chameleon, and today we're going to be talking about who is responsible for user onboarding. Now I've seen in different companies, different people be responsible, but often it's the designer's job to think about it, and they're supposed to figure it out and make it amazing, and they can, but they could do with some help, and here's why. When you create great user onboarding, successful user onboarding, you're trying to drive user action. To get them to act, they need three different things. Now, this is something that a professor at Stanford called BJ Fogg talked about. They need motivation, they need ability, and they need triggers. And the ability part of that is how they're able to do the things that you want them to do, the interface, the interactions. And so that aspect designers are thinking about, and they're probably the best people to do that. There are two other components. There's the motivation. The motivation relates to value proposition. Are your users motivated? Do they understand the value proposition such that they invest the energy to explore and try things and learn? And that component of it, you might have a product team thinking about which features to build and what's going to be most valuable for users. So there's a component that product needs to think about, and you might want to involve product in thinking about onboarding. There's also the triggers. Now, this is the way you're communicating with customers or users and helping teach them what's possible and prompting action. And that marketing teams might often think about. They're thinking about their emails, they're thinking about in-product marketing. And so there's a component that marketing needs to be involved as well. So in conclusion, what you want is a combination of product, marketing, and design to think about your user onboarding. Now, you could have a cross-functional team that could be responsible for user onboarding for your main product and all the features and think about it every time there's a feature released. That can be great. If you don't have those resources, then you can at least get inputs from the other members of your team that think about this. Make sure that the product, the value proposition, the design, the interface, and the marketing, the communication is aligned to deliver the best user onboarding. If you do that, you're much more likely to have users who succeed and become long-term and engaged fans of your product. That's it for this video, but you can visit our blog, www.trychameleon.com/blog, for more in-depth articles about this topic and lots of others around user onboarding, feature adoption, user experience. And you can also, of course, check out the other videos.